Now I am going to discuss about the antennas introduction part. What is antenna? Before going to the actual subject, we should know about the antenna basics. What is antenna? There is no communication system without antenna. Antenna is nothing but which is in the form of metal or a rod or any type. Generally, the other name for this antenna is aerial. What is the function of antenna? Here, the main function of antenna is which transmits electromagnetic signals or waves from transmitter to the receiver. Generally, the other name for antenna is aerial. Aerial means for radiating or receiving radio waves. Here you can see the block diagram of transmitting antenna and receiving antenna. At the transmitting antenna, the function of antenna is, this is the transmitter section, this is the guiding device, and this tapered section represents antenna. Here, the function of antenna is which converts radio frequency electric signal which is sent by transmitter is converted into electromagnetic waves. Here the transmitting antenna function is which converts radio frequency electrical signal into electromagnetic waves. Here the transmission line is nothing but guiding device which guides the radio frequency electrical signal to the antenna. Here transmitting antenna section. Here transmitter section consists of three blocks. First one is transmitter and the second one is guiding device or transmission line. Here third one is antenna. Transmitter sends radio frequency electric signal. This guiding device transfers this signal from transmitter to the antenna. This tapered section is nothing but the antenna which converts radio frequency electrical signal into electromagnetic wave. That is the function of transmitting antenna. At the receiver side, at the receiver, the same antenna receives the electromagnetic wave and converts it into radio frequency electrical signal. Here again, this is the guiding device. This represents either transmission line or coaxial line, which guides this radio frequency electrical signal and which guides the device from antenna to the receiver. At the receiving antenna function is which converts radio frequency electromagnetic wave into electrical signal. These are the functions of transmitting antenna and receiving antenna. It may be either in the form of metallic rod or pipe, or it may be any transitional structure. The main function is that there are various definitions of antenna. One is the antenna is a source of electromagnetic waves. It acts as a source. Source means which generates electromagnetic waves. Second one is it acts as a sensor. Sensor means which senses the electromagnetic waves. Third one is it acts as a receiver, which receives the electromagnetic waves. Next important definition is it acts as a impedance matching device. That means which matches the impedance of transmitter to the free space, and it matches the on receiving side, it matches the impedance of receiver to the free space, vice versa. And the last definition is it acts as a coupling device which couples the transmitter and free space, as well as at the receiver side, it couples the receiver and free space.